Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So Azure Beauty sent me over 2 dip powder kits. It's a dip powder and nail polish kit. So thank you to Azure Beauty for sending me these products to feature on my channel. So I'm going to open up both kits, and of course Azure Beauty products can be found on Amazon.com. And so these are 2 new kits that they're selling on Amazon. It contains dip powder and nail polish. So they're not matching colors, but you can use the nail polish to draw designs and also or to polish your fingernails, or you can apply it on top of dip powder. So it comes with the instructions, of course, replacement brushes and a nail file as per usual in their kit. It comes with instructions, and so with the instructions they have nail polish instructions along with dip powder instructions. So if you don't know how to polish your nails, and I get tickled because at this point in your life you should know how to polish your fingernails. Maybe not. Okay, maybe not. So I take that back. But it also has instructions for dip powder application, and it comes with a brush. My little cuticle pusher got tossed around, and so it comes with the cuticle pusher, and it comes with 2 dip powder colors. One is like, it looks kind of gray. I didn't open it up all the way, and one looks kind of like a light pink. And it comes with your base, activator, and gel top coat, a dip tray, and it comes with 3 nail polishes. These are small bottles, perfect. And I forget the size of the bottles, but it came with a pink, a top coat, and a red. Really nice bottles. I like the way the handle felt. So that's a nice shade of pink. Okay. A nice shade of pink. Now if you were an artiste and you could really draw a nice pretty Christmas design, but y'all know I cannot draw. I can't draw at all, and I don't know why I keep trying. I guess you keep trying till you get something decent. And make sure when you open in packages, y'all, use tools, not your actual nails, to get these packages open, because you don't want to break a nail. And so with the second kit, it came with the same products, and when I say the same type of products. So it came with 2 dip powder colors. It came with the instructions, replacement brushes, a cuticle pusher, nail brush. It came with the dip liquids, the disposable dip or reusable dip powder tray. It came with 2 colors and 3 nail polishes, 2 colors and 1 top coat. And so again, as previously mentioned, these products can be found on Amazon on the Azure Beauty storefront. And so here is the items here, and this is the second kit. These products retail for $9.99. So the kit's currently on December the 13th, currently retails at $9.99 on Amazon's website. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this application doing my usual dip method. I do have on 2 coats of CN Designer Dips Peel Off Base Coat on top of my Builder Gel application, just for easy removal of the dip powder. And with this dip powder, but with CN Designer Dips Peel Off Base Coat, the dip base dries fast, and I mean fast. So the first coat, all the nails weren't covered, so I end up doing a total of 3 coats of each color on the nails. So just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. Okay, and with the third coat of color, I reached full opacity on my nail, and so I did the rest of the nails off camera, which in the color that I wanted. This is like a neutral color. If I could draw, I would have busted out some gingerbread designs or something like that, but I can't draw, so I couldn't do no gingerbreads or nothing like that. I was like, man, I don't know how you teach yourself to draw. If you just don't have the ability, you just don't have it. So I'm going in with the second color. Now this color I thought was really, really pretty. And so I end up doing 3 coats of color to the nail. And that dip base dried really fast, in my opinion. Because I was able to brush away lightly after the first coat. Now the second coat, I think I brushed away the excess powder a little too fast, because I did end up brushing off powder onto the nail brush, and then it was kind of gunky. Maybe I put too much base on the nail, because you want to apply that dip base in thin layers, as thin layer as possible. And so here I got a little too much, and I'm just patting that down, or either I scraped my nail. I'm not sure exactly what happened there. And so again, as I mentioned, I'm going in and I will apply a third coat, and I'm just using a precision tool to clean up excess powder. Usually the kits come with a cuticle pusher, but orange wood stick, but this one did not. So I'm just using what I have readily available on my nail desk. So after I get all nails coated with color, I am going in and applying a generous amount of activator to all nails. After that, I do give, I'll wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll do my filing and buffing off camera. So here are my nails after filing and buffing. I did remove excess filing and buffing dust with water and dried my hands off. I did have a little dip powder on the side of my thumbnail, which came off when I took a shower, so no problems there. And so I'm going in with the nail polish. I'm just doing a little side swoop action on my thumbnail. And y'all, I've used regular nail polish, but I never get over the way that it smells. It has a strong smell, which I kind of low-key like it. Kind of low-key like it. So I'm going in with that bronze kind of glitter type polish, and I'm just doing a little swoop-de swoop. Now, again, like I told y'all, I can't draw. I wish I could. And so I just decided, my left hand is bare. Let me just polish that. That nail polish brush is very wide. It spreads out wide. The polish applied without any issues. I did get it on my skin. It cleaned up right off the nail. And so after that dried, I'm just taking a little bit of that polish on my little heart palette there, and I'm just using a striping brush, and I'm just gonna go straight down the nail and do a stripe. Now y'all know I struggle drawing. I even struggle with straight lines. I don't know. I just don't know, and I keep doing it to myself, but whatever works. And so sorry I get out of frame a little bit. Once I get that on the nail, I'm gonna go in with the brown polish that's in the kit, and I'm going to put a line down to the left of that glitter stripe and the right, and I will also do a line on the thumbnail as well. And I'm just cleaning that liner brush off with acetone. And so my lines got a little wonky here. I wish they stayed thin like this, but then I had to go in with more polish, and it became thicker and thicker. And so I eventually take that off the nail because I didn't like it. That wasn't the look I was going for, and I polished that entire nail with the glitter nail polish, and I allow that to thoroughly dry before I go in and top coat these nails. And so and on my index finger, I end up applying some gingerbread stickers. I apply a little gingerbread and a little brown snowflake because I wanted some gingerbread nails. And I couldn't remember if I had a gingerbread plate, or I was too lazy to go look for it, or if I had like a gingerbread house sticker. I'm pretty sure I got some somewhere. And you can see I kept retracing that line. I don't know what I was doing at this point. Because I was like, what you doing? I don't know. I told y'all I'll be down there talking to myself sometimes about what I got going on in my head, about what look I'm trying to accomplish. And so I'm going in with a Q-tip. These are beauty Q-tips or cosmetic Q-tips. They have a fine point, and I'm just cleaning up that line. And so I was like, let me just put this polish on the other hand too, just to see how it looks. So I can already see it kind of gives me hot chocolate vibes, but with the second coat, look at that little baby nubby nail. With the second coat, it would be pretty, but I ended up taking it off. I just wanted to see how it polished. And so after that polish thoroughly dried, and I do mean thoroughly dried, and I used my USB desk fan, I'm going in and applying some gel top coat. Now you could go in with the dip or the top gel. I would just coat the nails with nail polish with a smudge-free top coat and let that dry. And so once I get that gel top coat applied, I am going to cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp and apply some cuticle oil. So here is the finished look after curing. The nails are shiny, and I applied some cuticle oil. So that kit could be a good little gift, inexpensive stocking stuffer for somebody, $9.99. So thank you guys for watching. If you found value, please like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.